sainfoin is high in condensed tannins, and let me explain what that means. Some of you may be familiar with the antioxidants that are found in dark blue and purple vegetables or fruits like blueberries and strawberries and red cabbage versus green cabbage. Red cabbage is high in something we call, I'm going to throw a word at you, it's called proanthocyanidins. And that's what condensed tannins are. They are proanthocyanidins. They have antioxidant capability. Now, an antioxidant actually neutralizes and destroys free radicals, which are highly volatile, damaging molecules. And when the level of free radicals is high in the body, perhaps due to oxidative stress, then every tissue in the body can be affected. And so by feeding a product that contains condensed tannins or proanthocyanidins, what you're doing is you're offering potent antioxidants to that horse. Another wonderful thing about proanthocyanidins or condensed tannins is that the way it's digested. Now, look at protein, for example, in alfalfa. The protein that's in alfalfa starts to get digested in the acidic environment of the stomach, where these long chains of amino acids are broken down into little bitty pieces. We call them peptides. And then those end up in the small intestine, and they don't always get efficiently digested there. And so they end up being pushed to the hindgut of the horse, where the bacteria get hold of them. And they split them apart and cause a lot of ammonia. So you'll smell a lot of ammonia in the manure. And then the other piece also gets fermented, and then you have toxins that are formed which can lead to laminitis and to fecal liquid syndrome. This is a real issue for a lot of horse owners. Now take a look at the condensed tannins in sainfoin. They don't get partially digested in the stomach. In fact, they don't like acidic environments. But then they get pushed to the small intestine, where there are several enzymes that are responsible for digesting that protein in a more alkaline setting. And so now we have a very efficient digestion of this protein, providing us with a big pool of amino acids that are allowed to get into the bloodstream and go to the cells, where they can be combined again to make individual proteins that are differentiated for each tissue. So it's remarkable how much better it works.